Hey everyone. I'm going to show you how to install the Quartus software for your lab. For that, if you have already gotten access to your Canvas, you can go ahead and in the software, Quartus 2 Web Edition, there's this file. So go ahead and open it. And in here, what you'll find is this link. So this is a link, and if you click it, you add or copy paste it. Either one is fine. It will take you to this web page, and from the initial look, I don't see the software that we need. So what I want you to do is go ahead and type this name, Quartus 2 13.13 0sp1. So if you type it and select this, you should get the results. And so here, what I want you to do is I want you to select this web edition, not the subscription edition. So this web edition is free for use and it supports our device. So go ahead and click it, and in here, so it should select 13.0 sp1. So this is the one that we want. And after this, we can either download everything at once with this and then extract it and then get the setup files, or we can download everything individually. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So this is the main software for that and for FPGA synthesis, and this is the model sim, and we are going to utilize this software too for simulation and for using our device. So we will be using the Intel Altera DE2 board, and it contains the Cyclone 2 device. And so we are going to download this. So let's get started. You have to accept the license agreement. Okay, it's starting this. I'll go ahead and now I will download the Quartus. Plugs. Okay. It will download this, and then lastly this support package. I will accept this, and it should start downloading. Yes. So that is all the software that we want, and if you want, you can go ahead and look at the handbook. It provides all the things that you need to know about the software, and so it should contain everything about. So this contains everything about the design and the synthesis using Quartus, and yeah. Okay. So after you open the setup, it will present you this screen, and you can go ahead and click next, and then if you want, you can read the agreement and select I accept and click next. Now this is the folder where you are going to install your software, and I suggest that you leave it the default, but if you want you can choose other locations. Then click next. I'm going to leave it at the default. So when you get to this page, you will select these options, and in under the devices menu there would be the Cyclone 2, 3 and IV, and if it does not have it, so what you can do is after you download this support package, and if you place them in one folder, under one folder, and restart the setup, you will be able to get this package, this option. And for Model Sim, select this Altera Starter Edition because it does not require any license for it to be used. And then after this is done, you can just click next, and this is the summary. And so when you click next, it should install everything. I'll get back after it is installed. So after all of this is installed, you will get this screen, and from here you can choose to either create a desktop shortcut or not, and then or you can launch the Quartus 2 application software right when you click finish. It's up to you what you want to do. So just go ahead and click finish. So after this is done, you will get a window like this, and there will be a center screen. You will get the shortcut in your start menu. Anyway, you will get this screen, and then if you get this, then you are done. You have installed the Quartus 2 and the Model Sim. So during the installation process, you should have seen a message displaying that Model Sim has been installed, and this is it for the software installation. We will get started with Verilog in the lab. Thank you.